it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and we've got another, can you see that? Yeah, DIA&CO unboxing. So I haven't really been filling out these. So every time you get a box, they ask you, hey, what do you want for your next box? So I've kind of just been leaving them blank because I want to see kind of what wild card items they send me. So this is definitely wild card, and some things in here that I thought I wouldn't like at all, I kind of really like. So let's get into it, but first, they always send you like this cute little card like, hey, this is what we sent you. Here's how much it is. Hopefully you love it. This is why we sent it to you. This month, Sabrina styled me, so thank you, Sabrina. We'll go over prices as we kind of go over things and figure out if we like them or not. All right, first thing I want to talk about is jewelry. I haven't tried this on yet. I tried the clothes on, but I haven't tried the jewelry on. So I can tell that it's silver. I don't even know. Let's look at the receipt and see what this is. Gracie statement necklace, silver, $29. So a $29 statement piece. I've been looking for good statement pieces. I just love long necklaces lately. But this one's all tangled. Okay. That's what it looks like. But it might be pretty with like black like I'm wearing now. I don't know. I thought it would be long. It's not really my thing. I don't know. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Tell me what you think. I'm going to go with no on this just because it's $30, $29, but I can't really decide if I like it. So we're going to go with no. Next thing, I knew I would like this as soon as I pulled it out of the box. This is this like floral print V-neck, like flirty type top. I love the pattern on it. I love the colors. I love that it has a little bit of ruffle on the sleeve. I don't like this, but y'all know I hate collars that have this like extra bit of fabric. But I might can get over that because I do really love this top and I think it's so pretty. I think it would look really pretty for work. Just very like flowy and nice. This is the brand Michael Studio in a size 2X. Let's see how much it is. So this is called the Carmen Mixed Media Ruffle Tee White Pink size 2X, and it's $52. So 52 bucks, keep that in mind. And then I paired it with these hot pink Bermuda shorts that they sent. I'm not really into Bermuda shorts. I feel like they kind of hit me at a weird spot. I don't know. I love the color, don't get me wrong. The color is gorgeous, but I'm not so sure that I'm into Bermuda shorts, but that's just me. Okay, so these are the Casablanca Bermuda short in magenta. They're from the brand In Every Story, and they're $44. I debated actually when I had these on, I thought, could I wear these to work with like a cute pair of little heels and like maybe even this top? Is that a work appropriate outfit? Do people wear Bermuda shorts to work? So the next couple things, this shirt, okay, I didn't think I would like this shirt. And then when I put it on, it was kind of cute. So here's what it looks like. It's this like navy and gray with a little bit of like mint, just like tribal print almost. But then the back is solid, like solid gray, flowy, but it's got a little cutout that I think is just like really flattering. I don't know. I like the cut. I think it's just a fun summer shirt you can throw on with a pair of jeans and go. Like it's not, there's no fuss. You don't have to think about it. You kind of just throw it on. It feels good. It's really flowy. I like it. And then the back. So there's this like little button detail, and you can button it if you want to like cinch it in a little bit. However, I think that it was a little bit too tight on the back for me once I did that. But I do like this. This is the brand Dex. It's called the Jena top in light gray, size 2X, and it's $49.99. So $50. That's a lot. Okay, then the last thing that came in my box, I thought I would hate, and I really actually like them. It's this pair of like medium wash Bermuda shorts. They're from the brand Morgan & Walker. They are the softest jean material that I've ever felt. I really like them. I mean, I wasn't into Bermuda shorts before I started this video or when I tried these clothes on. You can tell because I didn't like the pink shorts, but these I really, really liked. I thought they fit great. They were the perfect rise, the perfect color, a great length. And I thought they were super flattering. I liked them. Okay, so these Morgan & Walker Bermuda shorts. Yeah, they're called spruce cuffed Bermuda shorts. They're a size 20 and they're $49. Okay, so if you don't know how DIA&CO works, it's very similar to Stitch Fix if you know that. You pay a $20 a month styling fee. Your stylist curates a box for you, sends it to you. What you want to keep, you pay for. What you don't want, you send back. Where is it? And this like pre-done package slip, so you don't pay for return postage. However, what you keep, you get that $20 styling fee credited back toward it. So say I wanted to keep these shorts and they were $49. I could get them for $29 because I get that $20 deducted. However, they get you because they give you a 25% discount if you buy everything in the box. So like my total comes to $223.99 minus my $20 styling fee minus my 25% when I buy everything, and my total is $147.99. So if I liked everything, I could get the entire box for $148. However, I want these shorts. That's for sure. The shorts I love, and I kind of want this shirt too for work. But wasn't it kind of expensive? I mean, it's $52. That's a lot of money. And I wouldn't wear it outside of work because to me, it's just like a work type top. And I work in the heat. I sweat. And most likely it's going to get dirty because I'm all over the place for work. So do I want to spend $52? Comment down below and let me know what pieces you really like. Also comment if you've used DIA&CO and you really like it, or if you have a certain stylist that you really, really like, then let me know, because I don't think I've gotten the same stylist every month. I don't think I've ever gotten the same stylist. So like this month is Sabrina M. So comment down below if you do DIA&CO and you have a certain stylist that you're like in love with. Let me know, because I'll request him or her and maybe we can form like some sort of bond and I can get great pieces. So that's a wrap on this video. As always, I will post a link to DIA&CO down below. Click on it, check it out. Let me know what you think. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.